The death of a teen in Cuthbert is sounding the alarm that medical deserts can have dire consequences. In his particular case, it took a transport ambulance 45 minutes to arrive on scene.
WALB News 10's investigative reporter Lena Allen digs into the impacts that lack of health care access can have across South Georgia.
Do you believe if an ambulance would have gotten to your son quicker, he would have still been alive today?
I feel like he would have had a better chance.
A chance, Tyrae Campbell's mom, Raquel Warren, says was diminished by a medical desert. On February 23rd, Campbell was shot and killed at a park in Cuthbert. WALB learned that it took 45 minutes for an ambulance to respond to the scene.
By the time the ambulance did arrive, it was too late. It was too late.
This issue of medical deserts is also plaguing other South Georgia communities. According to the State Office of Rural Health Care, 53 Georgia counties have no hospitals. Some of those South Georgia counties include Calhoun, Atkinson, Dooley, and Eccles County. In the Southwest Georgia area, there are only 34 federally qualified health centers. These centers provide primary health to underserved populations.
So that's a big problem, I believe, and it somehow needs to be addressed.
When counties are left with no hospitals, neighbors have to travel long distances for medical resources, and the responsibility of EMS services falls on the county. Some that don't have the funds to sustain ample services.
You know, what we see in South Georgia is a declining population on many rural counties, and a declining tax base, and so counties struggle to find a way to pay for this and other services.
So what's the solution? Coleman says he believes that answer should come from state leaders.
It needs to be addressed by the General Assembly. I'm not sure that the General Assembly has much sense of what's going on in rural Georgia. It doesn't appear to.
Coleman says he fears if a solution for medical deserts doesn't come soon enough, more deadly consequences will happen.
The longer you delay, the more impact it has on individual lives who live or are traveling through rural Georgia.
For now, Randolph County leaders say they plan to reassess their ambulance service to avoid more tragedies from happening. For WALB Investigates, I'm Lena Allen.